The length of a rectangle is 5 feet more than 3 times the width. The area of the rectangle is 100 square feet. Find the length and the width of the rectangle. I went ahead and drew the rectangle and labeled it length and width, as well as our formula for the area. Area equals length times width. The first thing I want to do is define one of these variables in terms of the other. Since it says that the length is 5 feet more than 3 times the width, I can redefine this as 3w plus 5. Now, when I rewrite my area formula, instead of length, I can say 3w plus 5 times w. And again, from the problem, it tells me that the area is 100. Now I have an equation that I can solve. Let's first start by distributing the w throughout. 3w squared plus 5w equals 100. And let's move the 100 to the other side so that I end up with a quadratic. Subtracting 100 from both sides, 3w squared plus 5w minus 100 equals 0. Now we have a quadratic that we can factor, the factors of which are 3w plus 20 and w minus 5 equals 0. We can set each of these factors equal to 0 to solve for w. On the left, if I subtract 20 from both sides, 3w equals negative 20, and then divide both sides by 3, w equals negative 20/3. On the right, if I add 5 to both sides, w equals 5. We have two answers. Since we're talking about the width of a rectangle, the width is always positive. So it doesn't make any sense to have a negative number. So we'll eliminate that, and we'll continue with w equals 5. Finding the length then, L would equal 3 times the width that we just found, plus 5. So my length is 15 plus 5, or my length is 20. So we have a length of 20 feet and a width of 5 feet.